how your marriage partner or your future spouse is going to react to your pregnancy journey. This is pile number one, this is pile number two, and here we go, pile number three. All are three different colors: purple, blue, and pink. And some people, I am channeling that some of you is I don't know, color blind, and I'm channeling the color gray as well. And um, these are one of the pile options that I sometimes pick, and I don't know why. I just feel like, you know what, this is supposed to be here, or maybe this is supposed to be on pile number three. But I'm channeling gray color as well. So pick from your own intuition, and yeah, let's begin. We are going to use love language cards from here. It's going to be amazing. I don't know, you know what, let's hear your feedback and review about the love language cards, because but as per me they are so touching, so good, and I want to know your input on it. I don't know whether you like it or not. Anyway, so yeah, let's begin with pile number one. Pile number one, hello, you guys. I'm so honored to have you guys here. And let me just shuffle the cards and then we'll be ready. I'm using the traditional tarot deck for today's tarot card reading. And it's gone. Just a second. I don't know. Okay. I have to say this, some of you have a specific person who likes the color blue, or who may be interested in having a boy, baby boy, or this is a specific person who is your childhood sweetheart, or they are your specific person, or they are your twin flame soulmate. Okay, so you know this person already, and that is the person you are going to marry. And yeah, let's just start. Okay. Okay, so the first three cards represents how your pregnancy journey is going to be like, the first, second, and third trimester, and your future spouse's reaction, your marriage partner's reaction is going to be on the second three cards. So yeah, the first one we have over here is Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is representing that in the beginning you are not going to understand that this, I think you are going to understand it really late that you are pregnant. I think it would be like 2 months, or some months might have passed, and then you're like, you know what, I don't think that my periods are so irregular. I think you are not going to have any physical symptoms other than that of your periods. That means you are not going to have any vomiting sensation, you're not going to have any cravings, or even if you do have cravings, pile number one, you guys are someone who occasionally have cravings here and there, and you don't think that this is something related to pregnancy at all. um, and that's why I'm seeing that. And also maybe some of you have irregular periods from the start, so maybe that's why you are not going to pick up on the fact that you are pregnant at all. So if this is your first few or 2 months journey, how your future spouse is going to react is the similar way, my darling. If you are not aware of your pregnancy, your future spouse is also happy go lucky. You both are happy, you both are engaging in physical activities, like hiking or something. You both are, your future spouse has a big inner child which you love so much. You do enjoy their company. They are not immature, they have inner child. I hope you understand the difference. They just love to enjoy their life so much, and they want you to enjoy your life to the fullest. And maybe that's why they do a lot of funny things here and there. And maybe that is what you enjoy about your future spouse so much. And I am hearing 3 months. I think for 3 months itself you are not going to understand that you are pregnant, and this is going to happen for 3 months, that they are going to treat with you happy go lucky way, like just going in a flow, just enjoying in general, and you're going to enjoy your future spouse's company. Maybe your future spouse has a big love language of gifts. They give you gifts, they take you shopping, they give you flowers, they might even give you a pet, thinking that this is only going to be our baby for now, but you are already pregnant. Both of you are unaware of it. So as I said earlier in the description, we are going to check few more of these cards about their love language towards you. Okay, I told you they are going to take you shopping, and we have another confirmation, which is dress up. They are going to dress you up. They are going to dress up for you in the first 3 months of the pregnancy, and they are going to adjust for you whatever you want. If you, for example, if you have any cravings, they are going to give you, like, fulfill your cravings without you knowing that it was because of pregnancy, without they knowing that it was because of pregnancy. They just care about you. It's not that they care about the baby inside of you, which is of theirs. That's why, uh, sorry to say this, but I have a little bit of understanding of how some, if you don't mind me saying the truth, how some men treat with other women. Now, if a woman was just single and they were just hanging out with each other, some men do not fulfill all of her needs. While if this same woman is pregnant with this man's, some men's child, these particular men's child, they would suddenly be, all nice, all good, fulfilling all of their desires and everything, because they are nurturing their child. So in that case, they are not adjusting for the woman they are engaged with or married to, but they are adjusting because it is their child in the woman's stomach or the belly. So that happens a lot. And also there is a channeled movie which is Good News by, it is a Bollywood movie. It is Good News by Akshay Kumar, Kareena Kapoor, and Kiara, I think, Kiara Kaur. So yeah, that's one of the movies that I'm channeling. Even in that case, it's a very even in that movie, it is explained how Akshay Kumar doesn't feel the attachment towards the baby, and therefore he's not even fulfilling or looking at Kareena Kapoor's character for what is her needs during this pregnancy, without even considering her needs, her wants, her desires. He's just thinking about, well, this is not my baby, so I don't feel any attachment towards it. But I hope you understand what I'm saying, but that is not the case with your future spouse. Luckily, pile number one. I would I wouldn't say luckily, to be very frank, because I don't believe in luck. Even if the future even if tarot said that this is not the case with your future spouse or something, I think I would still have recommended you to manifest someone else. I believe in, praying to God for the best partner there is. Um, so anyway, so yeah, I don't believe in luck, but I think this is something that I am feeling very grateful for when I'm looking at this pick a card. How you don't know that you are pregnant, but how still your future spouse is adjusting for you. I think, pile number one, you are unaware that you're pregnant, and maybe that, but still you're pregnant, and pregnancy have a lot of needs. Like, maybe sometimes you feel sick, sometimes you feel tired, sometimes some women vomits a lot, and sometimes you just have a lot of cravings. Whatever it is, they are adjusting for you, and this is the big deal, because they are not adjusting for the baby that is in your belly. They are adjusting because they love you. And some of you is in a uh, I think some of you is lesbians, and some of you are going to marry another. I'm channeling a heavy LGBTQ plus community, right? um you could be she her, marrying another she her, or you could be date them, marrying another they, them, or she, her, or he, him. It doesn't matter, but I'm not just channeling a masculine energy. That's what I wanted to say. I think I'm channeling energy in general. But there is so many, like, different energy that I just saw something as if I think it's a they, them, or a she, her, marrying a they, them, and a she, her, or something like that. I hope that makes sense. If it resonates with you, of course, it would make sense to you. Anyway, introduces their family during the first 3 months of your pregnancy. They are going to introduce you to their family and introduce. And also we have couples dress. So this is the dress that king queen kind of dresses, or matching pajamas kind of a thing. So I think you guys are going to have a YouTube channel where you are open about being family, right? Introduces their family. They introduce their family, which is you, to the YouTube. That is what I'm channeling right now. And you guys wear matching clothes, matching dresses, and you guys dress up in front of camera, and people are going to watch your reels or your shorts video or your TikTok video or something else. I am doing this pick a card reading on from India, so we don't have TikTok, but I'm channeling that someone might be using TikTok in their life for, as a couple, like you're going to enjoy the life as a couple. That's what I'm channeling. Okay, anyway. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. I thought so something like this would happen. I was like, okay, when you do realize that you are pregnant, what will happen? I wanted to know that, and here is the answer: the Chariot. If you know the energy of a chariot is trying to, let's say, chariot have dozens of tasks in front of him, 7 tasks. Let's say 7 tasks, and he has to complete all of these tasks within a set period of time. So you can imagine how this person is going to be. They are going to be hasty, they are going to be panicky, they are going to, have a lot of adrenaline, and they are going to work through that adrenaline in their life. They are going to be on the office, they are going to be all over the place in the world, this, that, That is what is going to happen to you, pile number one. So when you guys are going to finally understand, this is just, I think, fourth or fifth period, fifth month onwards, that you're going to understand that you were pregnant after all. Doctor tells you that you were pregnant for a long time. It's so and so months that's passed, and you're like, oh my god, now I'm pregnant, what should I do? We should go to the hospital, we should check our insurances, we should check the money, check the bank account, do this, do that, because you were enjoying your life, you were going on dates, you were going on vacation, you were shopping, and I think you are going to be panicky about money a little bit, and you're going to think about the doctor, which doctor to choose, should we get a massage therapist, which insurance is the best one for us, medical insurance or anything. Your head is going to be all over the place. But the second month of your pregnancy, you are going to be panicky a lot. You are going to be like, oh my god, we have to do this, we have to do that, yeah, right? So this is your energy. Let's see how is they going to feel. Oh my god, maybe some of you is not going to like it, but this is their energy. They are going to shut down when they are in panic. Now people have 3 responses to stress. The first response is fight, the other response is flight, the the third response is freeze. Okay, as freeze is shutting down, it's like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. You know what, I should just take a step back, I should just rest for a time. The more you are panicking, the more they are panicking, and their mechanism of panic is to just shut themselves off in a room and just watch a movie, watch TV or something. So I think this is again going to trigger you, pile number two. Sorry, pile number one. Listen, Some of you can watch pile number 2 as well. Okay, I'm just channeling that. My goodness, this is such an amazing energy because this is a human energy. Now we are not channeling something, you know, we are not there in the spiritual world or whatever, right? Let's figure out what is their love language, if there is any, right? I'm going to let it fall this time because if it's supposed to fall, it will fall. Jealous. Jealous. This is not. Okay, I saw this jealous card before we even started the tarot reading, during the introduction itself, when I was showing you this, right? That is when I saw the jealous card already. I thought the baby, the baby papa would be, or the baby parent, your partner, would be jealous of the baby, of how you're taking care of the baby, etc. Right? But right now, I'm not channeling that. Okay, I am moreover channeling that you are going to be jealous, you are going to be angry, or I think you are going to be jealous. Pile number 2. Sorry, pile number 1. You are going to be jealous. You know what? You have to watch pile number 2. I'm just channeling. Angels are telling me have to. There is some messages coming through there. Okay, anyway. You're jealous of how this person is so calm. But when this person is calm, they act hyper, they are loud, they are more like a Fred and George Weasley kind of an energy. They are loud, they are attention seeking, they are happy go lucky, they want to date you, they want to take you out. That's their happy and normal state. But when they are not happy, or they are not normal, when they are stressed out, in other words, they shut themselves off immediately. I think this is also the response because of the doctor's words. First of all, you did understand about your pregnancy later on in your life, and maybe that's obviously one of the reasons that you both panicked. The second reason is, I think doctor has also said to you that you were supposed to take some of the precautions in the first 3 months of the pregnancy. What were you doing? This didn't happen. Like maybe that is what made you more panicky. I'm not really sure. But let's figure out what is there something to worry about? No. Pile number 1, if this happens in your life, whenever this happens in your life, um, the reason I said the word if is because not even if it is pile number 1, I think it is not 100% going to be relevant for 100% of you guys. So just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. And whenever this happens, just manifest a good health and good life of your baby. You'll be fine. You have strong manifestation skills. Whether you have it or whether you will have it when you are pregnant, I don't know. But you can manifest a good health of your child from now on if you want, right? Best option. You can do it from now on. Or you can do it whenever you are, whenever you figure out that you were pregnant, you can manifest good health of your child for the future. I think that is going to be helpful and beneficial too. The third trimester is going to be where your hormones kick in. I've heard from, I think I'm channeling Rachel Green and Phoebe Buffet. In the Friends show, Rachel says that she is feeling, I think, horny. Her hormones are kicking in, and usually she wouldn't have liked the guy on sweatpants, but now she just want to throw out his fanny pack or something. So I don't know if you have seen that show, but that is what is going to happen to you too. Pile number 1, you are going to be really horny during the 3rd month of your pregnancy. You're going to be extremely lustful. You're going to play tricks and, not a bad word, not in a bad sense, but you're going to try to lure your husband into bed so much that your husband is, I think, your husband or your future's partner or a marriage partner is going to be a little bit concerned for you, because if on one side there is devil, on the other side there is angel. All right, so but still I think they are going to fulfill your needs and your desires, and they are going to do it in harmony, in balance sort of a way. Even if you don't see what is the balance right now, maybe you are in the extreme stage, they will see the balance and they will help you out, right? So that is amazing, because how things played out, look at it. It's something, isn't it? Ooh, phone calls. I think you are going to phone call them, or maybe they are going to phone call you every now and then. Hi baby, how are you? Is everything good, right? They are going to ask for your opinion and your consent each and every time. If you say, for example, even if you say that you are really, really horny or you want your partner, marriage partner right now, they are still going to, let's say, for example, before kissing you, they are going to ask if it is okay to kiss you. Before undressing you, they are going to ask if it is okay to undress you. Before fingering you, they are going to ask if it is okay to finger you. Like they are going to ask everything. That is one of the energies that I channeled, but I didn't understand what this meant 100%, because you were in the devilish energy and they were kind of in the angelic energy, trying to calm down, trying to make the right decision, and they didn't know what the right decision is. So they are going to ask you every step of the way what you need, what you want, what you think is right, and they are going to do only and only those things that you consent to, right? Maybe you are going to be frustrated, but mostly, most of you guys, 80%, are going to be appreciative of this gesture, because you would feel respected from your partner. You will feel that they respect you, and even if they are asking you every now and then, that doesn't, they make sure that their voice is not very robotic when they are asking, or like a teacher questioning something to someone. They are still going to ask you in a soft voice, soft husky voice, if you will. I don't know why I channeled the word husky, because it's so husky is a dog, isn't it? I don't know. Soft husky voice. I think you are going to have a husky too. Congratulations, you guys. When I was deciding to do this pick a card reading, I also thought that, you know what, I should do a pick a card reading, not just for human pregnancy, but for, like animal adopting kind of a journey, like how you're going to adopt your animal, pet, how it is going to be, how their personality is going to be, so on and so forth. If you want that pet pick a card reading, you have to comment it down below. Pet pick a card reading, because I don't know, I'm excited. Anyway, they are going to give you shoulder massages every now and then. I think it's because of you asking them, because you want shoulder massage, or maybe they are going to voluntarily do that for you. All right. Maybe it just means massage. Maybe they are just going to give you massages just every now and then. Does that make sense? Let's see if there are any other cards coming out. Okay, this was just oh, I'll pick you up and drop you off wherever you want to go. Let's say you're like, you know what, I want to go, I have a craving, I want to go have a cheeseburger. They are going to take you there. If you're like, I want to go meet my friend and have a hot dog, like they are going to drop you to your friends, and then they are going to pick you up from your friends, ask you to call them, etc. Please call them. Please call me. Like I heard the word please. Phone calls are so important for this person. This person, oh my god. I love your future spouse, you guys. I'm so happy for you. Touch wood, tap wood, whatever you believe in. Let's do this together. And I think this is the last part of your pregnancy journey, where both of you are, finally in the hospital, and they are like, you know what, let's do this together. I'm never going to leave you alone, right? they never wanted to leave you alone. I think during the second trimester or something, they might, it might feel like they have shut down or something. They, it's not that they don't care about you. In fact, they care about you too much. They became inactive. You know, analysis paralysis, right? They love you, they care about you. That's why they thought so much about you that they shut down. That's what happened in the second month. But yeah, let's do this together is, I think, the delivery time. And if you want the more more of this, like how the delivery is going to be like, and how the baby is going to come in the world, and which what personality the baby is going to have, so on and so forth, and etc., like whatever you want, we can do what next after pregnancy kind of a pick a card reading too. You can comment it down below, whichever, you know, pick a card reading you want, you can comment it down below. But if you want what next after pick a card, after pregnancy, pick a card reading, type that words down below so that I know what is your request, you know. What next after pregnancy, pick a card reading, you know. And of course, as it goes without saying, whatever I get the most comments for, that is what I'm going to do. So yeah, don't mind it. Okay, we'll keep it here. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste. Goodbye.